Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I have good news, and the first thing you should do as usual is hit the subscribe button so we can get this channel up. Right now, remember we have a backup channel, and that's what you're seeing on the screen. Now I'm holding one of the look at this, I'm holding one of the most recognized cybersecurity certifications right here, and the good news is I actually did a thing. So on this channel we actually expose scams, we carry out forensic analysis, and I did a thing, and I did this because I felt like it's going to equip me and prepare me to go deeper on exposing these scams, and not just the surface level analysis, but going deeper and carrying out network scan, and really looking at their looking at the apps and everything they use to carry out these scams, including educating you on the social engineering tactics that these guys use. So I went and I took the CompTIA Security Plus certification exam, and I passed. So in this video I'm going to talk about my journey, and this is really it ties well with what we do here, and I feel like it will also be beneficial to someone who wants to get into security and IT and all that kind of stuff, right? So a lot of you may be wondering, isn't CompTIA Security Plus an IT certification? Yes, it is, but it's a security certification that would enable you understand how hackers and really malicious guys think, and help you think like them. So that's what the CompTIA Security Plus would do for you. Now you will learn things like threats, you would learn things like malware, social engineering, a whole lot of things, right? You will learn this phishing and all these things. Now if you remember, in one of my videos I told you how this channel was almost hacked, and the attack that was used was something called a deauthentication attack. Right now, going for this cybersecurity certification helped me learn all these things. Right now I'm going to break down exactly how I did it and how you can do it as well. So again, this is one of the most recognized certification on the planet. Really, you can check it out, CompTIA Security Plus. So the first thing I did in preparing for this certification was using Professor Mensah on YouTube, right? So this is his channel, and his videos are completely free, right? So this is SY0-701 Security Plus exam. So I consumed the whole 121 videos. That's what I started with, right? So I consumed this entire videos, and you will learn everything from CIA triad to all the different domain. I think there are like 5 domains, right? So all the different domains, he covers everything topic by topic. So I started with this completely free on YouTube, and then I moved to this course on Coursera, and this is the CompTIA Security Plus SY0-701 full training guide specialization, right? And you have like 3 courses that make up this full training. So 3 course series, and you see the 3 courses. So there is security foundation, threat and network protection, cloud security, resiliency and vulnerability, incident response, risk management, and compliance. So I went with this, and I completed the 3 courses under it, right? Then after this I did I went and I did this guy's course on LinkedIn Learning, right? So the next place was LinkedIn Learning, and the LinkedIn Learning one was really what should I call it, the icing on the cake, right? Because this was like the very last thing I did, and this course is by this person named Mike Chappell, right? This guy is so good at explaining, you know, security concepts and all this kind of stuff. So I went and I took this, and I really didn't watch everything, right? What I did was I used the practice exam. Okay, so I used this practice exam, and this is practice exam 3, by the way, but on LinkedIn Learning you can find like CompTIA Security Plus practice exams. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 practice exams on LinkedIn Learning, and this was crucial, right, in my journey, right? So this was crucial. Now whenever I completed any practice exam, I would see like you'd get a summary of the parts that you didn't do well in. Then you can now go back to Mike Chappell's course, and you can find the particular domain and just watch that particular place. So this is like domain 5. Let's say I take the practice exam and I didn't do well in domain 5. I just come back here and revise domain 5, right? So that's what I did to end it all. Now, so this has been my journey, and this took me like roughly 1 month to, you know, really prepare for the exam and pass the exam. So again, how difficult is this exam? Honestly speaking, I think for me it wasn't too difficult, and the reason it wasn't too difficult is okay, if you ask me on a scale of 1 to 10 how difficult was the exam, I would say maybe compared to one of the security exams I wrote. So I did another cybersecurity certification exam, ISC2CC, and of course the link will be in the description for that. Also check out somewhere up, you also see the link as well. So I did that. That was last month, if I'm not mistaken, or 2 months ago I completed that one. Now if you ask me the difficulty level between the CompTIA Security Plus and ISC2CC, I would say the CompTIA Security Plus is a little bit more difficult than the CC, right? And then on a scale of 1 to 10, the difficulty level for me, I would say maybe a 5. And the reason I'm saying a 5 is because I think writing the ISC2CC, actually you find this kind of, there is like an overlap between the concepts covered in ISC2CC and CompTIA Security Plus. So you find that overlap, right? So I think that really helped me, and that's why I can say okay, not too difficult. All right, and then let me mention this. So if you look at this page now, you see get discounted CompTIA certification exam voucher, right, offering 10%. So if you use LinkedIn Learning 10, you'd get 10%, but I got 30% discount on the voucher. And the way I got the 30% discount on the voucher is Coursera. There is a Google's cybersecurity certification course on Coursera. If you take that course, you would get like a code that would get you 30% discount on the voucher. So that's how I use that code. I use that code to avail 30% discount on the voucher, and that really, you know, helped me save some money on the, you know, the entire thing. So for the CompTIA Security Plus, let's see how much does it cost now. Let's see. So if you're watching this, it will probably cost let me see where is Security Plus. Okay, this is it. Security Plus certification, learn more, and then I just want to show the cost so that you can see it. So if you click on buy now, so you see this is $425 right now, but like I said, the Google code, I can't remember what it is, but I guess I'll find it and put it in the description. The Google code will avail you 30% off this when you are about to buy it. So basically do 425 then minus 30% is what you get, okay, for the Security Plus voucher. And by the way, this is my first time writing it, and I wrote it just once. So there is another price if plus retake. So maybe you are not sure and you want to be able to retake it in case, I mean, you don't pass on the first try. You can buy this for retake, but I did this because, I mean, it's me. It's me. I did this because it's me. So yes, so that aside, and that's how I was able to, you know, study for it and all. Now let's get back to business, the things that really matter. Now that I am equipped to fight against these scammers, they go here win. They should get ready. I mean, we're not going to relax this time around. We're going deep. LSSC, we're coming. Eric, you will be exposed, right? Anyone who knows Eric should show him this video. You will be exposed. Now in the next video, again, everyone go and subscribe to our backup channel. Okay, go and subscribe to the backup channel, Drillabyte Media. Look at it, youtube.com/@Drillabyte Media, or just search for @Drillabyte Media on YouTube, and this should come out, right? So subscribe to this, and you can see we have this video warning everyone not to pay any, what do you call it, don't go ahead to pay any more money into LSSC platform. And in our next video we'll continue with the exposition. Now if you have watched this video up to this point, please drop a comment, just say congratulations or share the video. You know how we roll here. Thank you for watching this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.